employee of Fotis Dulos was back on the stand in the Troconis trial today.
This time with Troconis' defense attorney asking the questions. News 8's Eva Zamaris has more.
You thought she might turn up, Ms. Dulos, didn't you, at that point?
Yes.
Attorney Jon Schoenhorn circling back to statements Pavel Gumienny made on the witness stand as part of Michelle Troconis' trial. During his cross-examination on Wednesday, he first focused on a comment Gumienny said Troconis made after Jennifer Dulos went missing.
I'm going to kill that bee when she turns up.
Schoenhorn tried to clarify and get context for this statement.
And you testified she was upset, correct? She was very upset, right?
Yes.
And she was telling you that her face and her daughter's face was all over the internet, correct?
Correct.
Her daughter was 12 years old at the time, right?
I believe so, yeah.
And there they were being connected to the disappearance of Mrs. Dulos, correct?
Correct.
He also pointed out Gumienny didn't tell the police about this comment and another one he testified to until earlier this year.
I met with the prosecutors sometimes around that time, and they asked me if there's anything else that comes to your memory.
That other comment, he says, was one made by Troconis before her then-boyfriend Fotis Dulos had to put down his dog without his 5 children being able to say goodbye.
That should be buried next to the dog. That's your testimony, right?
Correct.
And you said that it was an effort, you saw it as an effort for Ms. Troconis to cheer up Fotis, right?
That's how I understood.
Gumienny was an employee of Dulos for years, working as a project manager for his company, the 4 Group. State police believe it was his truck that Dulos took down to New Canaan on May 24, 2019, where it's alleged he killed his estranged wife, Barbara Dulos. Schoenhorn asked Gumienny about his whereabouts that day. Some details he says he couldn't recall.
And that's because May 24th was another day just like every other day for you, right?
Correct.
Schoenhorn's cross-examination lasted hours, during which he attempted to cast doubt on Gumienny's testimony.
I'm just going to object. Again, this is improper impeachment.
But Gumienny was granted immunity from the state and has cooperated with the investigation.
Look, he went in there and talked to the police before he hired me, before he had the immunity agreement. He talked to the police even after he hired me against my advice.
Speaking outside of court, his attorney told reporters Gumienny is looking forward to putting this behind him.
It's been very difficult. The whole thing's been very difficult the last 5 years.
As for Troconis, she's maintained her innocence from the start, saying she had nothing to do with Barbara Dulos' disappearance and death. Gumienny's testimony wrapped by the end of the day. Testimony with a different witness will pick up tomorrow. In Stamford, Eva Zamaris, News 8.